Hi everyone, I'm Joe from Nikita Dessert Bar. Today, I'm going to join a campaign called Sit Back and Sip Up. The idea is to make the easiest and tastiest cocktail at home using the ingredients that you can easily find. Today, I'm going to make my signature cocktail called Monkey Sip Monkey.
This is the utensil that we are going to use, provided by Putra Surya International, Monkey Shoulder Blended Malt Scotch Whiskey from William Grant and Sons, and the other ingredients are Valencia oranges, Cavendish banana, and instant chocochinos.
Okay, first we're gonna chill the glass. I'm using Nachman whiskey tumbler here, which is a very nice glass. It gives you a firm grip. It won't get slippery. And we're gonna put some ice in it. Last but not least, we're gonna use Monkey Shoulder. It is a blended malt Scotch whiskey, which is a blend of 3 single malts, Kinevi, Baltic, and Glenfiddich, and it have a very unique character. It's really good and hence this particular cocktails. I'm going to use 40 ml of this.
For the garnish, I will zest it with the oil from orange peel to give refreshing aroma, slightly bitter taste, which is going to enhancing the experience of drinking the cocktail itself, and then just drop the peel inside the glass. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Monkey See, Monkey Do. Please enjoy.
So Monkey See Monkey Do is a really nice cocktail if you want to enjoy it after dinner as a digestive, or simply want to continue reading time, and then it will be nice because it's like creamy and refreshing. It's nicely pair well with salty potato chips. It's gonna balance the taste between the sweetness and the crunchiness of the chips itself. Sit back and sip up.